Hi, my name is Thor Chandler, and I comment about finance and business news and topics. I want to talk about play money in your portfolio of investments. And the reason I want to do that is a lot of us always end up gambling with our money at some point in time. And there's always the hunting instinct and the tendency for people or investors to want to take advantage of a short-term opportunity to make a lot of money. Now, having a small portion of your portfolio dedicated to speculating or play money keeps you from investing or speculating with all your money or all your investments at the same time. Any investor always must do further research and invest in high quality companies for a long term, but keep some cash available, say 5 or 10% of your portfolio for short term opportunities, just to satisfy your gambling instinct. And this will satisfy your the playmate in you, and will keep you from speculating with too much money at any one time. And losing 5% of your portfolio is better than speculating all of your money and losing a lot of it, money all at once, which people in the old age cannot afford to do.